Let's take that out and try this. All right. Yeah, just and that's it. That's it. So I think we got what we want here. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, and welcome back to my channel, Tinktronics. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be learning how to run MySQL container in Docker. So without further ado, let's get it going. All right, so I have ready to connect to my putty. Got to log in to root. See here. My password. All right, so that's what I'm logged into right now. Let's see here. I'm gonna take a look at what's running on this now. All right, this is what we have. We have just basically Portainer running on this machine here. So we're gonna get the first steps going here. So we're gonna pull the MySQL Docker image, and we're gonna begin by pulling the applicable Docker image for MySQL. You have the option of pulling the latest image release or a previous release. For this, I'm gonna just see if I could see what happens if I just do a simple pull Docker command. All right. So it's pulling that image down for us. I just did a Docker pull MySQL, all lowercase letters. All right, we have downloaded the latest image, and we want to confirm that the image is now stored locally by listing the downloaded Docker images. So let's do that. And Docker images. And you can see that MySQL latest was created 5 days ago, and that's what we have. Alrighty. Once it has been confirmed that we have the image, we are going to go ahead and we're going to deploy this container. How are we going to deploy this container? I'm going to do a Docker run and you're going to run the container name, MySQL, and the latest. So I'm going to add in there, you're going to notice I'm going to add a restart on failure. I'm going to use a restart on failure. So I'm going to pull it here. So we can grab that and see what happens. What we have here is going to do some updating. It appears that we're going to download from the latest. Okay. We're gonna see what I did. I did that. All right. So back to, let's see, Docker. Yes. Dash A. All right. So we have MySQL running, and we're gonna get into, and I did a Docker PS dash A. So that's what I needed to do. So we confirmed that's running. You can see it's running clearly up 30 seconds ago. Healthy. Let's do another Docker PS and see what the update is. All right, let's move forward. All right, now we want to connect to MySQL Docker container. I don't know if we even need it. Let's continue on. I'm going to use the Docker exec command. And yeah. We're gonna do a gonna run a couple of commands that aren't even listed in my spreadsheet, or we're gonna run. Yeah, the logs are good. Run another command to generate a root password. Keep that in mind. Oops. So that was my root password. Okay. Go back to my slides for the reference here. All right. So we're gonna run a Docker execute command. It's gonna prompt me for the password. All right, and I am inside the MySQL prompt. So we could go there and take a look at it. As you can see right here, it's down here. Now, I quickly want to change my password for this root. So let's take a look at my password generator. Generate capital letters, string characters, and all right, and I'm going to run a command where I change the password, and this is like little nitty gritty that you can only get in the video here. So let's give it a shot. See, hopefully we don't get to the error. All right, so now Now this is where we're going to get into creating like some databases and things like that. We're at 11:30. But that in a nutshell is essentially how we get this running on Docker. That's all it is. So we're gonna look at we're gonna change my to root for in Linux. See how that does for us. I think we did it. I think we did it. Let's Control C. Cool. C. All right, we're back into root. I want to try my thing again. Enter my password. I think I changed it. It worked. I changed it to something I didn't want to change it to, but basically, this alter user allows me to. Now we're going to go ahead and show you real quick how we create a database. As you can see, the commands are listed out here. I'm going to change. I'm going to change that to music 1. We're going to create a database called music 1. Real simple. Change that. Identify it and just make another password. I'm going to avoid using characters at this stage. Not happy with that. We'll generate that here. Oops. I don't want to do that. Change this line here. All right, so we're going to prepare this database. We're still preparing this database. I just wanted to change a few things. See, I'm creating a user, identify with the password, blah. All right, so everything's looking good. I want to grant all privileges to this user. All right. See how that does for us. All right, we get an error message, which is interesting. You have an error in your SQL syntax. Check the manual that corresponds to your local. Okay, so that's fine. Let's take that out and try this. All right. Yeah, And that's it. That's it. So I think we got what we want here. It took us a while. It took us 20 minutes and 50 seconds. Thanks for watching.